Okay guys, so it's been a while. I'm gonna give you a life update, a hair update. So if you guys are interested in this video, then just keep watching. I am currently in my bathroom, hence the extra toothbrush heads and some spare clothes and alcohol wipes and stuff up there. But I'm in my bathroom because we are currently remodeling and completely gutting and ripping out everything in my room, from the floor, carpet, to the dresser drawers, to the bed, to the closet. I need more office space in my closet, so we're gonna completely remodel that. I need to get my old dresser out. We've been in here in this fifth wheel since 2017, and it's 2023 now. Today is May 2nd, just to let you guys know. So we're completely remodeling, and I haven't actually picked up my camera since February 10th. If my camera is shaking a little bit, I'm super sorry, because I have it on this tripod that is not the best, and I haven't been able to record. So life has been lifing since I got back to Seattle from Kansas. My husband got in a wreck in my car, which was a white PT Cruiser. My parents bought me that car when I was 16 for my graduation present. So he got in a wreck 2 weeks after we got back. We got back here January 5th, if I'm remembering right, and he got in a wreck like January 18th or something like that. So he got in a wreck, totaled the car. So we've been having one car from pretty much January to now. He's gonna go buy me another car. I really don't show you guys our vehicles or nothing like that, because I don't know, I'm just really kind of private like that. But yeah, so just all the things that's been happening since I've gotten back from January to now. My husband got in a wreck, thank God he spared his life. The hot water tank went out, so we had to replace the hot water tank. So I haven't been able, we already got all these things fixed. I don't say things out loud or put it out there in the universe until I'm out of the woods. So, because I don't want like a whole bunch of opinions and stuff. But that's just the type of person I am. I keep it in my throat until I'm out of the storm. So all of these things that I'm telling you now have been fixed or solved. So the hot water tank went out. We got a heatless hot water tank now. The refrigerator went out. We just put the refrigerator in 2 days ago. The refrigerator was sitting in the front room because I was trying to get a door reversal so that the door didn't swing open from the left to the right. I wanted it to swing open from the right to the left, and that took like 2 weeks, and I just completely finally got sick of waiting for them to give me the part, and it was been on back order. The woman didn't put in my part correctly the first time, so it's just been a lot of mess with the refrigerator. But we did get our brand new refrigerator put in, and then the microwave went out. We're not buying another microwave. We only have microwaves accidentally, because we don't buy microwaves. I don't necessarily like to use them, but the RV came with the microwave, so we've been having a microwave. But we're gonna take that out. It's still in there. It works sometimes, but it doesn't work all the time. But we're going to use that square as extra storage. Excuse me. What else went out? My husband got a new position at his job, so he's in 90-day probation right now. I feel like something else has happened, but I can't even remember. I told you about the hot water tank, the refrigerator, the microwave. We're remodeling the bedroom, so me and Justin's been sleeping downstairs since February 10th on our mattress. We've been sleeping in the front room for that long, and like I said, today is May 2nd. So I haven't been able to pick up the camera and really give you guys any content, because we've been doing a lot. My house is tore up. So that kind of delayed me launching when I wanted to launch, because I want everything to be cleaned up. I'm just a really particular person, and I just want everything to be in order and in line before I launch the product. I will be talking about what product I'm launching when I do the seafood boil with my sister-in-law Tiara. So now for the hair, because that was 7 minutes of my life falling apart and getting put back together very slowly since January to now. So about my hair, I retwisted my hair, re-kinky twist my hair, in February. I believe it was like February 10th, I retwisted my hair. And I did this method, and I'm gonna tell you guys later in a different video, but I did this method that I'm never gonna do it again. But I retwisted my hair February, and then I retwisted my hair just now. So this is the second time that I retwisted my hair that I didn't show you guys. I didn't lose a lot of hair. I didn't feel like I should have came on here to show you guys me retwisting my hair, but I have done it twice, once in February and then once in April. I feel like I'm doing it every 6 weeks, but I know I need to do it once a month so my hair isn't really tangly. But yeah, guys, I really just wanted to come in here and just let you guys know I have done that. I am going to be cutting my hair soon, so stay tuned for that video. And I also made my own product that I twisted my hair with. It is a flaxseed clustered, and it is, oh my goodness, ma'am, it is the bomb. But yes, I know you guys have still been seeing videos of me, but I haven't been able to record like I've been wanting to record. But these dead ends have got to go. I'm so over them. I'm gonna give you guys like a thorough video about my hair when I cut it, and do's and don'ts for your hair when it's in these twists. But I feel like everything is kind of starting to come together slowly. And I just want to once again just say thank you guys for being here on this journey with me. I know a lot of my videos seem repetitive, but I did need to come off in here and before I forget and show you guys what my hair actually looked like now that I redid it twice. But I didn't want to have too much time go past before I'm fixed to cut my hair. May 2nd, I'm fixed to cut my hair. So you guys just stay tuned for the next videos. But I did want to let you guys know why I haven't gave you guys any updates since February. So once again, thank you guys so much for your patience, and thank you for watching. Bye.